How to turn off Messenger Notes feature. So if you want to turn off your Messenger Notes feature, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Messenger application at first. Once you open up your Messenger, now here on the upper left, you can have an option of post a note, right? So if you want to remove that feature, then let's see if it's possible or not. If you go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and if you go with settings, which is on the top right, then here you won't have an option to remove the feature. But in order to remove the feature of notes, what you need to do is download older version of Messenger. Only then the feature will be removed. So you just need simply go with your Google or your browser or anything that you're comfortable with and search for Messenger older version. And here you will have all of the older versions of your Messenger. So you just need to simply go and install the older version of your Messenger. Once you've installed, you can log into your account, and after that your notes feature will be removed. So that's how you can turn off your Messenger Notes feature. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.